Hello viewers, we're back with the Vtech 2468 2.4 GHz cordless phone with digital or digitan answering device. And we have already repaired the handset. Unfortunately the screen is not 100%, but it's as good as it's going to be for now because I don't want to mess with it anymore. But we do need to fix the base now because the speaker is spoiled.
Mailbox 2, you have no messages. Mailbox 3, you have no messages.
I'm hoping the speaker in there is comparable to that which is in here, and we can just swap them out. So let's go ahead and disassemble this and see what we find.
Answering machine off.
I don't know who thought this was a good idea to have the plug like this, but this is the dumbest design I can think of for plugging in a plug. Anyways, let's begin. Oh, this is going to be one of those ones that doesn't want to come apart. Maybe not. That wasn't too bad. Okay, so I'm not even going to bother disconnecting that. I don't think it's necessary. Pop that up with this bristle. And it looks like this speaker is going to be behind that board, so we got to take this board off as well. And there's a artificial Christmas tree needle. It's 4 months after Christmas and I'm still finding those things around the house. Okay, that looks like it should be free now. Okay. Yeah, it's free now, so we can undo this. And that should be free now as well. A little bit of glue up there at the top. Probably hot glue, maybe even low temperature hot glue. Okay, I don't really like the way that this is made. This is a pretty weird setup here. There are resistors between the speaker and the leads, and it looks like there's also some kind of a grounding loop over there, unless that's an antenna. I don't think so. I don't know. That is really odd. I cannot understand why there would be resistors there. Unless it was repaired at some point and they used the wrong size speaker or something. I don't know. That's really kind of odd. Well, let's see what we can do here. Of course, this is... Got to get that screw out of there somehow, but both of these boards are in the way. Okay, that releases the speaker. Let's see what we have here. 16 ohms, 0.25 watts. That's more or less what I would expected to see there. So I think I'm going to leave the resistors in place because they may be there for a reason. Okay, so let's get into this bass and see if it has the same kind of speaker. I suspect it does. Okay, we're going to need a different bit for this. Okay, this bass is going to be one of the ones that's difficult. Nope, that was easy too. It just seemed difficult to begin with. Okay, 16 ohms, so we're good. No resistors, which is what I would expect. So I'm still not really sure what the deal is with that. I almost wonder if that's not original. I don't know. Let's see if I can do this without removing that other board. It'd be nice. Okay, a different bit. Okay, that was easy enough. Okay, so now we can desolder this one. Hopefully the iron has warmed up by now. Has it? Yes, it has. Okay, set that aside. And I'm gonna undo it after the resistors because I cannot say with absolute certainty that those are not original. Although I have suspicions that they're not. I don't know for sure. Get that into the frame, that would be valuable. Where's the tweezers? Here we go. Alright, let's see if that sounds any better, or if we need to pull those resistors off of there. You know, if I had all the time in the world, I may actually just take the resistors out for curiosity, but I have other things to do today. If this fixes it, then it fixes it.
Mailbox 2. You have no messages.
Okay, that sounds clear. So I'm just going to leave it alone. I'm going to unplug it from the wall because that's way too much of an annoyance to deal with again. And let's reassemble. Okay, we're going to get this gasket in there. That does not come off. This is a dual band phone, so I have suspicions that this that black wire going onto the speaker may be some kind of an antenna. And that's destined to short out, so let's move that away. Alright, how in the world did I get that in there? Okay, I see. I don't like how close that magnet is getting to the board. Hopefully there's no memory on that chip. Daggone it, that is annoying. Okay. Now this one had mounts on it, so I'm going to have to reuse these from the other. Hopefully I can reuse these. Let's see if they're the right size. They are the right size, so this will work. Okay. I think all these screws are the same size anyways. Okay. Now, let's see here. Yeah, this will be interesting getting these on. Huh, is it actually going to go first try? Yeah, not quite. It's not, there we go. Wow, it did. Impressive. And this last one should be fairly easy. Okay, I stand corrected. It's not going to be easy. This magnet on this thing is very, very strong for such a small speaker. Okay, let's, uh-oh, we have a problem here. It's not fitting down there. Alright, this may not work. See, this thing doesn't have all that big magnet on there. There is a piece of foam on here which I can probably take off, and then it may go down far enough, but it's going to be so close to the board. I don't think that much magnetism should be near the board like that. I'm sure this is all ROM. If it, gets erased, you're done. It's literally sitting on top of the speaker.
Mailbox 2. You have no messages.
Yeah, I don't like that at all. I mean, I guess the other one would have been about maybe a millimeter down. I suppose the other option is I could elevate this. I don't think that would be an issue because this is maybe an issue because that's where the plugs are. I might be able to elevate that a little bit. Let's get the handset going and see if this is working or not. Yeah, it's working.
Monday, 12:01 a.m. Mailbox 2. You have answering machine off. Please select now recording.
A magnetism freak show.
End of recording. Mailbox 2. You have one new message.
A magnetism freak show.
Monday, 12:01 a.m. End of messages.
I'm leaving it. It's working well enough. This is not something that's going to be used heavily anyways. So that's it. We're going to go with that. I don't like it. I don't like that at all. But I suspect one of these chips is the memory module, and so there's probably no memory over here. So maybe it's okay. Alright, we can close this back up. Something is not quite right. There we go. Okay. We have a screw. something's not right in there because there's a screw left. Where did I miss a screw? Ah, right there. Okay. Let's do another test before I screw in the screws.
Mailbox 2. You have one old
Messages. I mean, sounds much better than it did before. And that's working. So, okay, fine. We'll go with that. The heck? Alright, that will complete the repair of this Vtech 2.4 GHz cordless phone with a very poorly designed power input. Let's do one final test and then we'll close out the video. It's charging.
Mailbox 2. You have one old message. Answering machine off. Answering machine on.
That sounds good. That's working. So this is ready to go. Thank you for watching.